Alright, more JM-IFY stuff. It's time to install my bass knobs and my line out converter knob. It's about 6 o'clock, finished up work, and now I need to do some cable management here. Car's all nice and shiny today. Got the seat folded up. I just have to, I've already did have to work because I thought ahead when I was installing my amp. So now I just have to pull these trim pieces up, route the cables up to the front. I think I'm going to place the knob, like maybe one here, and or probably both of them here. I did that in my my 640 IGT, and that's like the perfect little spot for it. What I'm doing for the first section is I have my trim tool under here just to kind of give it a lift, and I'm running the trim tool along while using my other hand to just tuck this under. This next section I'm going to route over to the inner part of this trim panel. Inching my way along. Now I'm going to scoot my seat forward or backwards, one of the two. See which way I can get to the rest of that path easier. The answer was both. First forward, then backwards. Inching my way along. It helps to keep your wires bundled up while you do this, so you're not working with a rat's nest. I have to be a little bit of a contortionist, but yeah, cables are all hidden back under the panels and under the carpet. So now I'm gonna continue under this piece. I'm gonna run under this molding, and I'm gonna come out over here somewhere. Pretty much done. Got the wire over to there. I'm gonna move it back a little more, and then I'm gonna tuck some of this excess under this panel here. These aren't the wires that they came with. This is a Rockford R2-1200X1 amp with bass knob. And this is a AudioControl LC2i Pro. They used to be in a different car, and when I removed it, I was lazy and I didn't want to undo all the wires, so I bought new wires. Now, these aren't standard cables. They're RJ12 reverse wire. So, a normal RJ12 won't work. RJ12 is just like a phone jack, but it has 3 pairs of wires. It has 6 wires instead of 4. And it needs to be reversed to work with these 2 pieces of equipment. I've selected my knob location. I can get to it without looking. The top one's my level control, the bottom one's my bass control. Now I'm going to flex loom the visible wires and tuck them under in a location where I can move the seat all the way forward or all the way back. One more thing, this is like an optimal position for me. I can just put my hand down here and do quick little adjustments. I don't have to futz around looking for stuff, so it's pretty nifty. Another one done. This took about 45 minutes or so. Not too bad, pretty quick. Got it all put in here. Don't see any wires nowhere. Everything's clean. And then I got the knobby knobs right there. And if I move the seat back, you can't, it moves forward and backwards. And it's flex loomed. So, till next time.